Okay, now,
Ready?
now go.
Here, Haley.
Ooh. You were right for it.
Go ahead, girl. Do what you want. This is your day today.
Right?
Here, get some on your finger and give it to her. Get some on your finger and give it to her.
Hunter, just like she was shaving, put some on her.
Get some in her mouth. Put it on her mouth.
There you go. Haley.
Oh, is that yummy?
Here, Haley.
Get some more. Haley, get some more. Eric, when he had his first birthday, he had chocolate cake all over. Yes, he did.
Well, you're not exciting like Hunter.
What did Hunter do?
Right there.
Yeah,
He didn't
Hunter,
touch the
Okay,
cake or
that is
anything?
enough.
Hunter was so sleepy.
Oh.
Oh, Hunter can eat some too. She can eat that whole cake.
So no,
That's Hunter.
I might squish it in my hand. That goes on the cake to float a boat because we had the cake for Hunter in our house, and then my daughter graduated, so we had a cake for her graduation. We've had cake, nothing but cake for like the last 2 weeks. She
Haley.
definitely likes cake.
Haley.
Yeah.
Look at Grandpa.
Pretty good cake, isn't it, Hunter?
Oh, Dr. Haddon.
Don't you
Hunter, is that
dare
good
make her
cake?
cry.
Good.
Let her, Haley.
I want some fruit.
Haley, you got to get 2 handfuls of that stuff. You got to put it in your hair and everything else.
Bunch of weeds back there. We've tried everything with it, and we finally just let the ducks have it.
Here, Hunter. Eat it.
You know these things you can buy down like that? Probably at Kroger's, but they're
Haley.
like donut holes.
Look at Papa.
You know, like the crispy fat donut holes. Haley loves the ones that are chocolate with just a little bit of icing on them.
Stop and everything.
She'll eat those things all day long.
Oh, she's a very good eater. The only thing she don't like is blueberry. She'll spit them out. Well,
Hunter, say hi. Hunter, say hi.
she loves carrots.
Say hi.
Hi.